One thing about me, I really do not like store-bought flour tortillas. So I usually make them at home. And this recipe tops them all. These tortillas are so delicious. Let me show you how I make them. In my bowl, I'm adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Along with that, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to just whisk that together. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of vegetable shortening. You can use melted butter and you can even use vegetable oil. When I get it to this point, this is when I start adding in 1 cup of very hot water. I will be mixing with the fork first because this water is super hot. I put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And then I get in with my hand and slowly I did add the hot water and I did end up using the whole 1 cup. And I'm just going to start mixing until I see no visible flour in the bowl. And once I get it to look like this, no visible flour at all in the bowl, I'm going to just knead it on my surface for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'm going to start forming my tortilla balls. And really, however much you're going to get out of this recipe just depends on how big or small you are making your tortillas. After I'm done with that, I'm going to dust these in flour, put them back in my bowl, cover it with some saran wrap, and let these rest between 20 to 30 minutes. The longer you let the tortillas rest, the better they will come out. And I'm going to start just rolling these out. The way you do it, you just roll up, roll down, turn, roll up, roll down. And I already have my comal preheating. You want to preheat it to like a medium high. And also, once you are done rolling it, you can stretch it with your hands if you're comfortable doing that. And this one's ready for the comal. So I just place it on the comal and I do wait until it bubbles. And then I flip it over. And you should get a very nice tortilla that puffs. When you flip it over, you really don't have to wait that long, maybe about 5 seconds. And then remove, place it on your kitchen towel or wherever you want to place your tortillas. If you're placing it on a kitchen towel, make sure that you cover them so they don't dry out. And I'm just going to continue with the rest of my tortilla balls. And that is basically it. That is how I make my flour tortillas. They come out so good. Once I had bought some tortillas at a bakery, and these really do come out tasting just like them. Super soft, super delicious, super flexible. Enjoy.